Exercise 4.2 we'll start now. Question number 1. Question number 1 is to be done in textbooks itself. Okay. You see 1a, subtraction we have to do. From 7 can we subtract 5? Yes. So 7 minus 5 will be 2, right? Then from 1 can we subtract 2? I told you that when minuend is smaller, subtractant is bigger, we cannot subtract. Now, what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from hundreds place to tens place, right? So, this will become here 2 and this will become here 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then, again from 2 can we subtract 6? No, right? So, it will become here 1 and here 12. 12 minus 6, what is the number? 6. 1 minus 0. I told you whenever from any number we subtract 0, we get the number itself. 4 minus 1 is 3. Clear? Then B we will do. Minuend is smaller again. So, from smaller we cannot subtract the bigger number. We have to borrow 1 from tens place. So, in tens place if you see is already 0. Can 0 give 1 to 2? It cannot, na? 0 will have to borrow 1 from hundreds place. So, your 7 will become here 6 and the 0 will become 10. Now, from this 10, we will give 1 to 1's place. Clear, na? Anytime when we have 0, that 0 cannot give any single digit to this number. 0 will itself have to borrow from the hundreds place. 12 minus 4. From 4 you count till 12 like this. You see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many digits are coming here? 8. 9 minus 5 will be 4. From 6 can we subtract 8? No, right? So again 6 have to borrow 1 from 0. I told you same thing here. 0 cannot give, na? So 0 will borrow from 5. So it will become here 10. Then 5 will become here 4. Now from this 10, 1 it will give to this one, 10 will become 9 and 6 will become 16. Are you getting this clear? Now 16 minus 8. From 8 you count till 16 like this. You see 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You will get 8 here. Clear, na? Then 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 1, 3. Like this we borrow and subtract. We'll come to the next page now. See. Again minuend is small here. So 3 will have to borrow 1 from tens place. But tens place is again 0. 0 is unable to provide any digit to ones. Again tens will ask from 100 and 100 also is having a 0 digit only. Wherever we have zeros, na, that 0 will always ask from the other side. Keep in mind this thing. 7 will give 1 to 100. Clear, na? Now this become 10. Again this 10 will give 1 to tens place. Now this became 10 and it is able to give 1 to this number. Okay, na? So it will become here 9 and this number will become 13. Like this we have to solve. 13 minus 5. You count from 5 till 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will get here 8. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. Are you getting this clear? Then 9 minus 4 is 5. From 6 we cannot subtract 9, na? 6 is the smaller one. Keep in mind a smaller number cannot subtract the bigger one. So 6 again has to borrow from this one. So when it will give, it become one number before that, and it will become here 16. From 9 we will count till 16. You see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many numbers are coming here? 7. Then we have here 7. Again it will become here one number before this, and it will become here 17. 17 minus 9. Count from 10 now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You will get here 8, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Clear? We will do the last one now. We have 0 again. So from 0 can we subtract 4? No. 0 is the smaller number now. So 0 will have to borrow. 1 will give its 1 only to this number. 1 will become itself 0. Are you getting this? 1 itself will become 0, and this will become here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Can 0 subtract this 8? No. 0 will become 10, and 6 will become here 5. Clear na? Now 10 minus 8, 2. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So again 5 will have to borrow. 0, 0 cannot give. 7 will become 6. One number before that will become 10. Now this 10, when it will give 1 to this number, it will become 9, and it will become 10. Now this will also become 9, and 5 will become 15. You have to understand this process very carefully and thoroughly, okay? Now 15 minus 7. Count from 8 till 15. Like this, you see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will get here 8. It is done. Then 9 minus 1 is 8. And then a 9 minus 9 will be 0. 6 minus 3 will be 3. We have completed question number 1. Next clip we will do question number 2.